So we've officially made reservations to use this in April. So we have to have it ready by then, which I don't think will be a problem because it's basically ready. It just needs a little clean out and a little restocking and the water pump and the fan replaced. So it should be good. Stink bug, ew, get him out. We made it out the door. Nope.
No.
Not there.
No.
We should put that back before we keep going.
Yeah.
Okay, that's reattached. Maybe the pump is behind that part down there. Next attempt.
Quite the jalopy piece here.
That's it? 2 screws?
I guess. Just kind of fish it out of there like that. Get this thing out of the way. Fish this stuff out.
That's down there.
It's not here either.
No water pump.
Where is
I
this
don't
thing?
know. Maybe we should Google. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Not under here. Just the hot water heater. No, that's not. This is just a lot of wires. Not there. So now we're gonna look in this panel. It's under the heater. Under there?
Nope.
What's in there?
Just there's a fuse in here, and then there's some plumbing. And it looks like where the propane comes up to this thing.
I did another box.
And we're gonna open it up. Treasure.
To see if it's in there.
It is.
Otherwise, I have no idea where it would be.
There it is.
Bingo! We found the water pump. Right here?
Mm-hmm. Low point drain.
Yeah. Right under. Low point drain, fresh water drain. There we go. You got like a lot of electricity things going on.
It's not
in here?
plugged into anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I unplugged it all.
Peeing. The trailer's peeing. We found the pump in the office closet where we stuck it when we pulled everything out of here and we had someone move in.
So,
And it's gonna hopefully be a direct replace.
and it looks like a dead ringer. It's a different brand, but it looks like it's a direct replacement.
Okay. I Googled it, so hopefully I Googled well.
Now we have to figure out how to get it out without dying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get in here.
Okay.
I really want to, but I have to take this thing off. Maybe I can, here, give me the drill or the impact.
Okay. I'm gonna hand it to you on your, yeah, right there.
I can take this surround off so I can give it much more room here.
Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah, we should definitely like shop back this out. That's
Yeah.
gross.
Yeah, it's gross in there. What I should do is tuck my shirt in.
I won't get a picture of your butt crack, don't
I'm
worry.
just going to tuck my shirt in anyways.
Do we want to clean it first or clean it after?
Let's clean it after because then...
Going in. I'm just gonna close that and sit on it now, and you're gonna be stuck in there forever.
Let's not do that.
No, you want to be in a coffin?
All right, that was easy enough. That just came. Oh, can you get me like a? There's like a dog dish or something over there.
Oh yeah.
No, the problem is this dish won't fit right there, so we're just gonna disconnect. water
No
there.
water there. Okay.
This little doodad came out of there.
Close that off. I can't really see what you're doing.
There was a little gasket that came out. I just put it back in there. Okay, there's no more, there's just a tiny water drip. Now I can disconnect it from here. And then they're gonna have to go get some wire cutters to cut the wires. And then put the new one in. This needs to be longer. I have them in my truck. I'll have to climb out.
Out. And the new pump is going in. I'm standing here. I'm cleaning out this cupboard above the sink. Some stuff is still okay. There's a lot of old oil that has gotten solid and some soy sauce that was open and not refrigerated. So we're gonna get rid of that stuff. All right, what are we doing?
Putting the remounting the pump.
All right.
And some janky freaking camper screws.
No one ever said they were quality.
Oh, no.
On to the next basket of goodies. And so we bought these cups because they're so cute. Guess what? They are like 5,000 degrees when you use them, and they're absolutely not staying in here. So, bye-bye cups. We still got bowls and cups, but we need coffee mugs. And we need some more cooking supplies. Hooked up. Yep. Now we're rewiring it. Let's see if he can do it. Okay, so it's hooked back up.
Yep.
All right, so I'm gonna turn on the pump. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Making a lot of noise.
It's priming now.
You hear it. Shall I try the water?
Not spraying water anywhere.
That's good. We got water!
Look at that, I'm a regular old fixer-upper guy.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. You ready? Do you want me to turn it off?
What?
You didn't answer. Okay, we just got plates and a table cover. Coffee making, so you got the coffee, the grinder, which is back here, and French press. So all I think we need are coffee mugs. We also have silverware and straws and napkins and one cooking utensil. Oh, and then we have a whole bunch of cooking utensils over here. Now we're gonna double check the battery. We unplugged the trailer.
That light's still on.
The light is still on. Flashy, flashy.
That one flashed when I turned it on first.
Oh, we might need to replace the bulbs in these. Oh yeah, that bulb is bad. Okay. Yeah, so it still works on battery.
Radio works.
I'm trying to figure out how to take these light covers off. They got these little gaps, like it looks like they should pop off, but we YouTubed it and she said to use a paint can opener, like a little mini pry bar. Bingo bango, down comes the light. Also, there's no bulbs in these. They're just a full unit. So we need 2 new units. The rest of the lights work. Oh, is there one in there? Yeah. I think there is. Does it work? Yeah. Bingo. Okay, so we just need 2. So I think, yeah, the fan doesn't work anymore. I'm gonna have to Google what fan this is. Maybe. In the shower. And look how much it's yellowed in 7 years. There's this skylight thing in here. That the factory left the protective plastic between the 2 layers so you can't get it off. But yeah, look how yellow it is. They definitely need a new shower curtain because that's gross and crumbly. It works. That's good. So first round good. You're getting there. It's not gonna take very much. Woo, here we go. It's basically operational.